When a fiber optic loss test is failing and you can't figure out why, an OTDR is a very useful tool to figure out what's going on. The OTDR will help you identify issues along the fiber. You can find connectors with excessive loss, you can find splices with excessive loss, you can find bends in the fiber, cracks in the fiber, and of course you can find the end of the fiber in the case of a broken fiber. And the OTDR can be deployed rather easily, and it can be used for both troubleshooting, and if you have to do tier 2 testing, you can use it in addition to your tier 1 loss testing to provide a tier 2 test result. So let's take a quick look at an OTDR test. I've got my OTDR adapter in my Test Pro. This will also work with the Network Service Assistant. So I'm going to go into OTDR. I've already done my setup. I'm just going to go ahead and run a test. And we see the trace starting to build. In a moment we'll actually see this complete. And here we have our final trace. If I wanted to zoom in on this, we have a single finger zoom, so you can click above and to the left of the event and then drag down and right, and then you can zoom in on that actual event and get more detail if you like. There's also an event table. So if we click the event table, it will show us the events along this cable under test. And as I click each event, our cursor moves right to the beginning of that cable where this first connector is that we see. If I click at the 1018 meters, it shows me that connector at the far end of the cable, and of course that's the end of the fiber right there. We can also see this in an event map, which is a linear format, and as we click on each of these events, the table at the lower right here will update with the details, the loss of that particular event, in this case a connector, and then the total at the end of the fiber. And that is OTDR.